macaroni and cheese club with my Chipotle chicken macaroni and cheese.
Yum.
Very easy to do. A little smoky, not too spicy because adobo and Chipotle peppers can be really, really spicy. But what I do is I started off with 2 split chicken breasts, okay? I get that little tiny can of Chipotle peppers and adobo. I take out like a big handful of like 4 or 5 peppers and some of that adobo sauce, rub it all over the breast and let it sit on the countertop for 2 hours, tops, that's it. Then I put it into a pot and just cover it with water, and I add in 3 cloves of garlic and poach it on low. So it's nice and juicy and it's infused with that Chipotle flavor. So that's right here, all completely shredded up. And then I put the pasta in the same water. I just add a little bit more water, some salt, and I cook the pasta, the penne in that, just a minute under what the box or the package says, so it's al dente, because it's gonna cook twice in the oven. All right, so to start here, I'm gonna show you how to make the custard for this macaroni and cheese. It's very simple. Marcella,
how can I help?
If you don't mind chopping up the scallions, white and green part, and then remember the garlic that I had in the pot. Just smash it right here in the bowl. It's gonna add some additional flavor to the custard. And then to that, I'm gonna start building up what's gonna kind of tighten up. That's our flour. Tighten up our custard while it's in the oven. 2 eggs go in, and that's 2 tablespoons of flour. And then from that little can that you marinated the chicken in, a little bit more of that adobo sauce.
And if you have any left over, it lasts forever in your fridge, so it's fine to have some left over.
In like a little zippy bag, and let's press out the air, and then I usually just break off little pieces. So some pepper goes in, a little pinch of salt.
Okay.
Whisk this up. Now to this, I'm gonna add in Mexican crema. It's a little bit looser than sour cream, but you can use sour cream as well. That goes in. Add some nice tang and zip, because there's gonna be some...
Is that like creme fraiche?
Yeah, it's kind of like a creme fraiche, but creme fraiche to me is a little bit tighter as well.
Is,
So
yeah, it's
a little bit of water can loosen it up, you know, no big deal. And some heavy cream goes in.
Nice, just a little bit.
Just a little bit. I mean, it's fall, you know what I mean? We're kicking off the mac and cheese club. Why not? You know?
I've never ordered. I'm sorry.
You're gonna feed like 10 people with that, right?
Yeah,
So,
totally. I think a 13 by 9 is a good 8 to 10,
Yeah,
maybe
but
12
portion-wise,
people.
it's fine.
All right, you want to toss that in here.
Yes, ma'am.
Now, I'm going to also then toss in the pasta. Everything just kind of goes together.
Sunny, I like that you don't have to heat this sauce.
Well, it's like a bechamel that makes itself in the oven because the egg kind of really custards and holds it together. Every once in a while, when I'm in a hurry, though, I'll do the entire sauce on the stovetop. Just leave the egg out and just kind of warm up the heavy cream, and it tightens up for you. And you can make it kind of like a stovetop mac and cheese if you want. All right, so you just mix this up.
That's a bowl of love right there.
Right?
You think you have enough cheese? Should we add more cheese?
I don't know.
No,
We gotta
it
do the
needs so
topping.
much cheese.
So
It really
then
does.
on the
there's more
top-
cheese.
Yeah,
You need
there
more
is
actually on top,
actually.
I think, yeah.
I get some of the restaurant grade tortilla chips. They're always say restaurant style because they're a little bit lighter and crisper.
Yes.
If you want to crunch those down, take a little anger out.
Super fine?
Yeah, super fine. Just like, oh, there you go. Nice little toss on this.
And then mix with the cheese?
Yep, cheese goes, and that's gonna be our topping. So just tortilla chips and some more shredded cheese. Look at that. All right, into the bowl. 13 by 9.
Sure you don't need...
Butter spray, or you can just take like a tablespoon of butter and wipe it down with a little bit of paper towel. Marcella,
Yes, ma'am.
you ready with our topping?
Yep.
That goes right over the top. Yeah.
Oh.
Oh my God.
It's like a nice crunch. If you're gonna do this the next day, like, you know, put it together and then bake it, leave the crunchy top off.
Yeah, it'll get
Um,
soggy.
yeah, and then if you reheat it, it's best to bake a reheat because the microwave is really not gonna give you the crunch of the tortilla again. So 375 into the oven for 30 minutes.
Sonny, you didn't cover it?
No, uncovered
that's
for
unusual.
30 minutes. Yeah, at 375, it's gonna give you a nice golden brown top. Everything's gonna be nice and bubbly under the bottom.
I always cover mine and then take it off after. You don't have to.
Look at the steam.
That's
I did the
perfect.
cooking, I did the cleaning, I can do the tasting.
You can't do the tasting.
Look at that. That is a hunk of love right
That
there.
looks
Oh.
delicious. I cannot...
Two-breasted chicken feeds a family. That's what I love about it.